students at Afghanistan's Nangarhar University walked away from their examinations in a show of solidarity with the female students to protest the Taliban's ban on women's higher education. Footages posted on social media showed students at Nangarhar University in Jalalabad and Kandahar University seemingly refusing to sit for their examinations. Women can be heard cheering and clapping as the men exit a room holding papers in the air. One clip shows men joining a crowd of women holding up signs and chanting in protest of the ban on women's education in Afghanistan. The Taliban is reportedly trying to prevent anyone from filming or photographing demonstrations against its new rule. According to reports, journalists saw soldiers enforcing the ban by blocking the entrance to at least 4 universities in the capital of Kabul. A spokesperson for Kabul University, Rahimullah Nadeem, confirmed that classes for female students had stopped. He said that some women were allowed to enter the campus for paperwork and administrative reasons, and 4 graduation ceremonies were allowed to be held. The Taliban announced the indefinite closure of universities for women with a letter from the Higher Education Minister yesterday, with the ban taking effect immediately. Initially, the Taliban promised a more moderate rule respecting women's rights and minorities' rights. But now, the extremist group has widely implemented their strict interpretation of Islamic law since seizing control of the country last year. They have banned girls from middle and high school, barred women from most fields of employment, and ordered them to wear head-to-toe clothing in public. Women are also banned from parks and gyms. This move has inevitably impeded the efforts by the Taliban to win international recognition for their government and aid from potential donors at a time when Afghanistan is mired in a worsening humanitarian crisis. The international community has urged Taliban leaders to reopen schools and give women their rights to public space. Qatar and Pakistan have expressed their disappointment at the university ban and urged authorities to reconsider the decision. Qatar played a key role in facilitating the negotiations that led to the withdrawal of US forces from Afghanistan last year. It called on the Afghan caretaker government to review the ban in line with the teachings of Islam on women's education. Neighboring Pakistan said that its position on the issue of women's education has been clear and consistent. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken said last night that no other country in the world bars women and girls from receiving an education.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.